Hello guys, welcome everyone.
Welcome
So,
to Pitching in Line.
so in this video we are going to talk about yesterday's match between DC and Kings 11. So both the teams coming into this match had their own requirement. Delhi wanted to win this match and confirm their position for the playoffs and stay in the top. But Kings 11 Punjab, on the other hand, they had to fight for survival. Each point which they get from here on is really a piece of gold for them. So I thought Kings 11 Punjab really played according to the situation and gained those important 2 points after beating the teams like RCB and Mumbai Indians. I thought their confidence really went up, especially the last match against Mumbai Indians. The drama it created for them, it really boosted their confidence. So, what do you think about Kings 11's Punjab performance? Bro? Sudden spike in their performance.
Yeah, they are on fire. 3 wins in a row.
Hmm.
Chris Gayle has come back, and he seems to be their lucky charm, winning 3 matches, and that too against top 3 teams.
Hmm.
DC, Mumbai, and RCB.
Hmm.
Those 3 teams are currently number 1, 2, 3 in the
Hmm.
standings.
Hmm.
So that would be a huge confidence booster for them,
Hmm.
because right now they're in a situation where they have to win all their matches. The bottom 4 teams, SRH has to win all their matches, Rajasthan has to win all their matches, Kings has to win all their matches. Yes, CSK might have a very outside chance, but I think it's very less.
Hmm.
So considering that 3 teams have the same are in the same position,
Hmm.
so I think Kings 11 would be very happy because now they have gained the momentum
Hmm.
and they beat the teams which are in form. So
Hmm.
now they're gonna face relatively teams which are woefully out of form
Hmm.
or who are struggling with their combination.
Hmm.
I think overallly, I think Kings 11 would be very very happy side.
Hmm. So we'll start with the Delhi Capitals batting yesterday. Apart from that brilliant century from Shikhar Dhawan, who played this magnificent knock, back-to-back centuries this time around of 61 balls, other batsmen really struggled. You don't know. I mean, don't you think the form plays a really important role in these kind of situations, where if you are set and if you are in form, you got to throw your bat in.
Yes, that is the case. That should be the case. We have seen so far in this IPL,
Hmm.
the batsman who's set in, right?
Hmm.
He has to play big innings. So you have to give a lot of credit to Shikhar Dhawan. He has played his role exceptionally well.
Hmm.
But it's also important for other batsmen to bat around him.
Hmm.
You need not have to go hammer and tongs,
Hmm.
but you have to try to build a partnership. Though I felt, on that pitch, probably the DC were around 10 or 15 runs short,
Hmm.
but it shouldn't be a huge matter of concern
Hmm.
because Delhi so far has been the most consistent team along with Mumbai.
Yeah.
So I think Delhi should see this as a wake up call and they have to look into it. What do you feel about Prithvi Shaw? Because initially, when Delhi started, Prithvi Shaw was giving flying starts, and there were a lot of criticism on Shikhar Dhawan.
Hmm.
If
Yeah.
you see the statistics,
Yes.
last 5 innings of Prithvi Shaw, he only scored 30 runs.
Mhm. So it's a matter of concern, to be really honest with you. See, there is no shortage of talent. We have spoken a lot about Prithvi Shaw in the previous videos, but I think he's being found out. You know, his technique is the really area where he has to correct himself. His front foot is, if you see his front foot, he's not in line with the ball. Yesterday also, if you saw that, he just slogged. His front foot was somewhere there. He was slogging there. You have to
Okay.
improve this kind of technical errors, and see, I think he's taking his spot for granted. He's a good player, but I think Delhi management has to understand that thing and give him a break of match or two, because he must understand that even he can be dropped. So until and unless he won't get
Hmm.
that wake up call, I don't think it will be uh, easy on him. If you are easy on him, I think he's taking this for granted. I think he has to given that thing, and Rahane has to open for a couple of matches so that he can correct himself and come back and to his rhythm. What do you feel about that?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, that's a huge call. To be honest,
Uh,
I think Delhi Capitals management, right? I think they would really want Prithvi Shaw to be in form. We have
hmm,
seen him in a couple of matches where he where if he gets going, right, he keeps the pressure right to the opposition. He takes the pressure to the opposition. So I think probably what DC would be wanting is, since they have 5 more games, let him play. Probably
Hmm.
at least for 2-3 games, let him play, and hopefully, if he comes back in form
Hmm.
with him and Shikhar Dhawan at the top, then Delhi would have a very good pair. But yeah, like rightly you said, he shouldn't be taking his spot granted, especially with Ajinkya Rahane
Hmm.
in the dugout. That's a very, very big name in Indian cricket. So yeah, I think Prithvi Shaw, I think Delhi wouldn't be too. I think they would be a little unhappy, but they
Hmm.
would be hoping that this guy somehow finds his form at the later end of the stages. So, what do you think about Kings 11 Punjab's bowling? On that pitch, restricting for 160 of Delhi batting lineup is a very good effort.
Yeah, it's an incredible effort. I think all it takes is one ball, one boundary. If you remember that match of RCB versus Mumbai Indians when Kohli was woefully out of form, he hit that boundary in the super over. And that boundary really gave him that confidence. So exactly like that, if you see Mohammad Shami after he bowled that super over the last night against Mumbai Indians, he really gained that confidence. He was leaking runs before that. He was bowling well. I'm not saying that was not bowling well. He was really bowling well, but at the end he was kind of being found out, and he was going for a lot of runs. But after that super over, I think he concentrated more on Yorkers yesterday. He bowled a lot of Yorkers,
Hmm.
more than lot of. He bowled very less bouncers. If you saw, he bowled a lot of Yorkers. I think that is the way
Yes.
you should bowl in the death overs, because if you are bowling full length deliveries and short balls, they will pull you. I mean, that part of the situation where 17th, 18, 19, 20 over, they want runs. So
Hmm.
they will play you. But if you bowl Yorkers, I think it's very hard to get away. So I think Mohammad Shami has really gained that confidence, and we saw that vintage bowling from him. Yesterday he bowled really well. His death overs, he picked up that wickets, right? I think that really put dent on the Delhi Capitals' progress.
Yes, I think you actually pointed at a very good point. Kings 11, after their win against Mumbai, because
Hmm.
starting they had a lot of games which went to the wire and they lost, and
Hmm.
you need to have also a lot of luck factor to go in favor of you.
Hmm.
So I think probably they started to believe, after the 2 super overs and the
Hmm.
defending 5 runs in a super over, that against Mumbai is a huge thing.
Hmm.
So I think they probably are feeling, with this thing, I think they probably thought their unlucky time is done and their good time has started.
Hmm.
And it is relatively showing that in their game as well.
Hmm.
But yeah, Kings 11 right now, they're playing well. They're right on the edge. They
Hmm.
lose couple of matches, then they have to depend upon other teams.
Hmm.
But right now, they're going in the right direction. As far as Delhi is concerned, I think would be their
Hmm.
mantra going forward because they're almost close to qualifying.
Yeah. Yesterday we saw that Andrik Nokia was sitting out due to some niggles. So we saw Daniel Sams. I thought even though he didn't pick any wickets, he was really impressive. But I think it will be a foregone conclusion in the next match. Andrik Nokia will be a straightaway replacement for Daniel Sams. Apart from that, yesterday we saw Delhi Capitals picked up early wickets, especially of KL Rahul, who was really in form, and that freakish run out of Mayank Agarwal. Despite that, they ensured that they chased this total without any fuss. So, what do you think about their middle order, Kings 11 Punjab's middle order?
Yeah, like there has been a lot of talk about Nicholas Puran.
Hmm.
Throughout the world, you have seen many ex-players, pointing out about Puran,
Hmm.
and I think his innings was the game changing. He tilted the momentum towards Kings 11 Punjab,
Hmm.
and he rightly showed, why he is rated so highly among
Hmm.
cricketing circles.
So one more thing is, when Chris Gale came in yesterday, when he walked into the crease, Shreyas Iyer gave the ball to Tushar Deshpande. So I think that was the over where match, whole everything was turned around
Mm-hmm.
towards Kings 11 Punjabs. After 24 runs
Kings 11,
over, it was really that that
20.
push which Digit gave. But don't you think it was slightly miscalculation of not bringing Ashwin in straight away instead of going into
Hmm.
Tushar Deshpande. Because we saw
Yeah, I
Ashwin
mean,
coming in and
there's
taking his wicket straight away. That's what I'm saying.
yeah, I mean, there are two things. Number one is Ashwin had always had edge over Chris Gayle.
Hmm.
When he was playing for Chennai Super Kings against RCB, he used to take out Chris Gayle quite frequently.
Hmm.
And we know that Chris Gayle is someone, initially he's a little bit susceptible to off spin.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, yeah, I think said probably Shreyas Iyer could have done that. But at the same time, Tushar Deshpande, if you have seen in the last match, he bowled well in the power play.
Hmm.
Last match he did really well.
Hmm.
So I thought, I think it's good that he has shown that confidence on a very young bowler. That would mean a lot to him personally.
Hmm.
But at the same time, Chris Gayle, you know, if he gets going, you have seen best of the best getting hit. But yeah, but like you rightly pointed out, at that point of time with that over, the momentum has shifted to Kings 11 Punjab. So that's it from us, guys. So we're gonna meet you guys after the next match. Tata, bye bye, see you.
Bye bye.